In 711 AD, a Berber general named Tariq ibn Ziyad landed on the shores of Al-Andalus, what is now Spain. He brought with him an army of around 7,000 men to face King Roderick's forces, nearly 4 times larger. The stakes, nothing less than the future of the Iberian Peninsula. But before they charged, Tariq did something no other commander would dare to. He ordered his men to burn their own ships. "The sea is behind you and the enemy is in front of you," he told them. The message was clear: victory or death. There was no going back, and with that, his army surged forward, defeating Roderick's forces at the Battle of Guadalete. This wasn't just a military conquest, it marked the start of an era. The Iberian Peninsula was forever changed by the spread of knowledge, culture, and architecture that followed. Tariq's legacy endures, etched in history and even in geography. Mount Gibraltar, originally Jabal Tariq, or Mountain of Tariq, still carries his name. This fearless general didn't just conquer lands, he shattered the limits of the known world, a timeless symbol of courage and resolve.